So here we are at the beginning of our flow of power, our 66 kV GIS room with its 22 bays. In this very room, the AC cables coming from the wind farm are going to be connected to the GIS. And then let's follow the flow of power further to our converter transformers. Let's go. We are in our converter transformer room, where in the back you can see one of our transformers converting the AC current from 66 kV to our DC voltage level before it goes to our second GIS and then to the converter. Follow me. We have just transformed the AC power to our desired voltage level and welcome you to our second GIS room. From here, the AC power will go into the hard chambers of an offshore transmission link into our respective converter rooms. We're at the heart of the whole offshore transmission link, actually in one chamber of the heart, which is the converter room. Here, the power has already been transformed to up to 330 kV, and the power is being induced into our converter towers. Here is where the magic happens. The AC generated power is being converted into DC and then transported by a DC cable back to a corresponding station onshore. As we move through the room, you can see the setup of our converter towers. So in this configuration, we would have 6 converter towers per room. There's a corresponding room where you find the exact same setup as here, which is underneath. And let's move over to our 3 converter reactors. Something very special about this room in comparison to the first projects. The 3 different stages that are being highlighted here, the converter reactor, as well as the DC switchgear, used to be in 3 separate rooms. And it took a lot of ingenuity from our engineers to come up with this very, very compact and innovative arrangement. Where there used to be 6 rooms, we now have only 2 rooms. Now we come to the end of our flow of power, the cable sealing end of our DC GIS on the other side of the converter room. Here our clients will connect the DC cable to our cable sealing end, and we can ensure that the power is being transmitted to our corresponding onshore station where we have the same technology, and we are going to convert the DC power back into AC to be distributed into the grid.